Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this video. I think I've kind of figured it out. When we need to, I didn't have those grouped together. We still have a broken line right here, and this is really just going to solve the problem with having to cut all those little lines out. So I just smart filled it, left click, right click. Then we can get rid of this guy, the broken one, and take the new one and put it back. And then bring all these into the picture, and you can select it all. Now, for some reason, this is weird that this is happening. It takes away all the outside line, but it actually takes away that line. And if you'll just kind of put an indexing line near that line, and then go back, well, my indexing line disappeared. Let's see which one it is. Let's see, it's about the 15-inch mark. So let's back up here and let's take that one and just move it out of the way. And that way you only have to cut one, and then bring this back and just cut it. I don't know what's going on there exactly, but you're getting the same result. You just don't have to cut every one of them. But I was trying it before, but that broken line was causing me, and that's what still that broken line is causing me problems somehow when it's not doing that. But that should save you a few steps right there. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.